Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, we'll be taking a closer look at the Spectre Expert Advisor, an automated trading system available for both MT4 and MT4 5. We'll go through what the EA offers according to its MQL5 marketplace page, examine the historical backtest results, and discuss whether its approach may suit different types of traders. As always, remember that this review is for educational purposes only. Historical performance should never be considered a guarantee of future results, and every expert advisor should be thoroughly tested on a demo account before before being used with real capital. Now, let us begin with what Spectre is designed to do. Unlike many commercial expert advisors that come with a fixed trading strategy, Spectre takes a very different approach. Rather than locking traders into one predefined system, it functions as a highly customizable trading framework. All right. According to the developer, Spectre is a multifunctional expert advisor that supports both fully automated and semi-automated trading. Instead of relying on a single indicator or strategy, it allows users to build their own trading logic by selecting from numerous technical indicators and conditions. In fact, one of the biggest selling points is flexibility. Users can configure up to 30 different variables and combine as many as 15 separate buy or sell conditions within a template file. That makes Spectre less of a traditional plug and play trading robot and more of a strategy builder for traders who already have a defined trading methodology. Another interesting feature is its built-in manual trading panel. Even though the EA supports automated execution, traders can also interact with the market manually without switching tools. All right. The developer also mentioned support for trend line trading, allowing both breakout and rebound strategies. Okay. Depending on how the template is configured. So this opens up considerably more possibilities than many EAs that are designed around only one specific market condition. One feature that stands out is the integration with the MetaTrader strategy tester. The developer explains that the built-in buttons allow traders to practice historical trading directly inside the tester, making Spectre useful not only for automation but also for strategy development and testing. Now, because of its flexible design, the marketplace page doesn't recommend one specific currency pair or time frame. That is largely because the behavior of the EA depends on how the user configures the underlying strategy rather than following one fixed set of trading rules. Now, let us quickly move on to the historical backtest. For this review, the the results that we have shows us 35 completed trades during the testing period, and the first thing that stands out is the relatively modest trading frequency. 35 trades isn't a particularly large sample compared to some automated systems that execute hundreds or even thousands of positions. So it is worth remembering that a smaller sample provides less statistical confidence than a much larger one. So looking at the profitability, the report finished with a profit factor of 1.04. While that is technically above 1, meaning gross profits slightly exceeded the gross loss. You can see that here. Okay, during the test, the margin is fairly narrow. In practical terms, that suggests that the strategy generated only a modest historical edge under the tested conditions rather than demonstrating overwhelmingly strong performance. One statistic that I find encouraging, however, was that the maximum equity drawdown was just 0.19%. So that is an exceptionally small drawdown compared to many expert advisors on the market. It suggests that the account experienced very limited historical declines during this particular test. Of course, one backtest can't tell us exactly how the EA will behave in the future market conditions, but historically, the risk profile appears to have been quite conservative. Okay, the report also recorded a 60% winning trade percentage, meaning that 6 out of every 10 trades closed profitably during the test period. A solid win rate can certainly be helpful, although it is important to remember that profitability depends not only on how often trades win, but also on the size of winning trades relative to losing ones. One observation worth making is that despite maintaining a respectable win rate and extremely low drawdown, the overall net profit remained relatively modest. We can see the total net profit was just $34.02 from a $10,000 deposit. Okay, that isn't necessarily a weakness. All right. After all, the test was conducted just over about 3 weeks. All right. The test was done on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame, and it was just over about 3 weeks from the 1st of July to the 22nd of July 2026. Okay. So that some traders actually prefer strategies that prioritize capital preservation over aggressive returns, and others may be looking for significantly stronger growth potential, even if it means accepting larger drawdowns. Ultimately, it comes down to individual trading objectives. Overall, the Spectre EA appears to be aimed at traders who want flexibility rather than a completely predefined trading system. Okay, so if you are looking for an EA that simply gets installed and immediately begins trading according to one fixed strategy, Spectre may not be exactly what you are after. Okay, however, if you already have experience building trading systems and you would like an expert advisor capable of combining multiple indicators, custom entry conditions, manual trading tools, and strategy testing features into one platform, then its flexible design could be worth exploring further. As always, I recommend carrying out your own optimization, testing different configurations, and forward testing on a demo account before risking real funds. Okay, no matter how promising any expert advisor is, no matter how promising any historical report may appear, live market conditions are constantly changing, and every automated strategy should be evaluated under your own broker conditions and risk parameters. So if you'd like to learn more about Spectre EA for MT4 and MT5, you can just head over to the marketplace information here. There is not much information even displayed here, by the way. All right, so thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video if you found it valuable, and subscribe to the channel for more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next review. And also, do not forget to share the video with other trader friends who you think are going to find it valuable, traders who are interested in expert advisors. Okay, a lot of reviews are available on this channel for you. Thank you once again. See you in the next review.